am going to argue that emotional intelligence is much more important than logical intelligence. Let me explain. I don't mean this in a soft, motivational way. I mean this structurally and systematically, the way in which our society is built. As a culture, we have decided that one kind of intelligence requires prestige, power, money, while the other is praised, moralized, but very much undervalued and overworked. There's this idea coined by Roger Bregman called the Bermuda Triangle of Talent. It essentially suggests how the top graduates from very prestigious university ends up in very few extremely high paying and prestigious jobs, which involves corporate law, consulting, or finance. Ultimately, they don't have much impact on the society in itself. While the jobs that actually has a lot of impact on society, such as social workers, teachers, mental health workers, they are of course praised and moralized and said that they are the holding glue of the society, but they are also very much undervalued and underappreciated. And I don't think this is an individual failure. It's not about people making the wrong choices. It's about the fact that as a society we have decided one kind of intelligence deserves to be compensated way more than the other one. Of course, most meaningful work requires both. Teachers use logic, healthcare uses data. Emotional intelligence does not work in isolation. But we do know what our systems are built to reward. And this imbalance is often defended in the name of progress. Things that are built from logical intelligence. The most relevant example would be AI. It is said that people often argue AI and efficiency would defend or reduce all these problems. And it is true, AI has done incredible work in research and healthcare. But my question is, if we call something progress, but it does not get better for most people, is it really progress? Maybe the problem is not that emotional intelligence is undervalued. It's just that the system is built on the shoulders of these people, but we refuse to pay them for it.